Verizon, the big American phone company, just made Wall Street very happy. This telecommunications giant has been a staple in the industry for years, providing reliable services to millions of customers across the nation. They released their earnings report, and guess what? The numbers were impressive, surpassing all expectations. Analysts had predicted a solid performance, but Verizon managed to exceed even the most optimistic forecasts. They did better than everyone expected. The news sent waves of excitement through the financial community. Investors and stakeholders were thrilled, and the positive sentiment was palpable. This is great news for anyone who owns Verizon stock because the price just went up. The stock market responded enthusiastically, with Verizon shares experiencing a significant uptick. But why did this happen? Well, Verizon has been working hard to make more money. They have been implementing strategic initiatives aimed at boosting revenue and cutting costs. Their efforts are clearly paying off. They've been investing in their network and adding new customers. By enhancing their infrastructure and expanding their customer base, Verizon is positioning itself for long-term success. They knew they had to do something big to keep growing. Their strategic vision and commitment to innovation are driving their impressive performance. As they continue to evolve and adapt, Verizon is set to remain a dominant force in the telecommunications industry. Verizon made a tough choice a few months ago. They raised prices. This decision wasn't made lightly. The company had to weigh the potential backlash from customers against the need to increase revenue. This can be risky because people might get angry and switch to a different company. Price hikes often lead to customer dissatisfaction, and in a competitive market, this could mean losing valuable customers to rivals. But Verizon knew they had a great network and great service. They believed that their superior infrastructure and customer service would retain their customer base despite the price increase. And guess what? The gamble paid off. Customers recognized the value they were getting and chose to stay with Verizon. Even though prices went up, people stayed with Verizon. The company's confidence in their product and services was validated as customers continued to use their network. This means Verizon is making more money from each customer. The increased revenue per user has allowed Verizon to invest even more in their network and services. And that's why their earnings were so strong. The strategic price hike not only boosted their profits but also reinforced their position in the market. Verizon's bold move has set a precedent for how calculated risks can lead to significant rewards. It's not all sunshine and rainbows for Verizon though. There are some challenges ahead. For one thing, everyone is fighting for customers in the phone business. Also, new technology is expensive. Verizon is investing heavily in 5G, which is super fast internet. They need to make sure that investment pays off. Section 4, the future of Verizon 5G and beyond. So, what's next for Verizon? Well, 5G is a big part of their plan. They think 5G will change everything, from how we work to how we have fun. Verizon is also looking beyond phones. They're getting into things like home internet and TV. They want to be your one-stop shop for all things communication. Section 5. Investing in Verizon. What to expect. If you're thinking about buying Verizon stock, remember this. They're a solid company with a history of success. Over the years, Verizon has consistently demonstrated its ability to adapt and thrive in the ever-changing telecommunications landscape. Their robust infrastructure and commitment to innovation have made them a leader in the industry. Sure, they're facing challenges, but they're also making smart moves for the future. For instance, their investments in 5G technology and strategic partnerships are positioning them well for the next wave of digital transformation. These initiatives are not just about staying relevant, they're about leading the charge into the future of connectivity. No one has a crystal ball, but Verizon looks like it's in a good position to keep growing. Analysts are optimistic about their long-term prospects, citing their strong financial health and strategic vision. While the market can be unpredictable, Verizon's track record provides a level of confidence for potential investors. Just remember to do your research and understand the risks before you invest in any stock. Investing always comes with uncertainties, and it's crucial to stay informed and make decisions based on thorough analysis. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, taking the time to understand the market and the specific dynamics of Verizon will serve you well.